Hello YouTube, welcome to today's video where today I will be reviewing probably one of the best budget microphones on the market currently. This is FIFINE's A6T, which is a recording and streaming microphone for PC and PlayStation that runs through USB-C. It's got a boatload of cool features and I can't wait to show them all to you. Inside of the package itself, you guys are getting a desk mount clamp, the microphone itself, pop filter, and of course the boom arm that you can use. A long time ago when I first started streaming and making videos and stuff, I received a FIFINE microphone, not knowing it at the time. I just knew it was an upgrade from my Blue Yeti and my Blue Snowball. And when FIFINE reached out to me and offered me to review their product, of course I had to say yes. So here's the package all in one. The microphone itself is a very sturdy build. It comes with a USB-C plug-in, which it's wonderful that FIFINE is moving that direction and making sure all their products that they release have this port on it. At the bottom, you'll find your scroll wheel for your gain. It's a super smooth scroll, by the way. It's on a shock mount, like I said, and also the tap to mute button is apparently just a tap. Like, it's not a push down button. One of the things I do want to mention is the quality of their desk clamp. The reason is because this was the one piece of the product that I was a little skeptical about when I decided to review it, but as soon as I opened up the package and I realized that this is a super duper hard metal, I knew that I was going to be okay. It also comes with a rubber grip padding, not only to where you're protecting your desk, but also to where if you're moving your mic around in and away from your face, you're not going to actually be moving the mic clamp, you'll just be moving the actual boom arm as intended. What you're hearing right now is my voice coming through the A6T. Now, what I'm super duper impressed with, not only is the RGB that's super saturated and super smooth on a rotation of colors, but also some of the utility behind the touch. The gain wheel was super helpful. I did have to set the gain beforehand. Now, I did do a few tests with this microphone before recording just to make sure I liked the sound, and I was super impressed with the quality of this microphone for only $50. This is the biggest reason why I'm pulling it for today's video and making this review, is because for the price, if you're wanting to get into streaming and starting your stream up and don't have any equipment and need to go out and buy some, spending a boatload on a microphone that you could be getting the exact same quality for out of $50 is a crazy deal. So for the price tag, the quality of the sound that you're getting, the easy installation, and the full kit that you see in front of you, I'd say this product has got to be at least an 8 or 9 out of 10. Now, the reason why it's not a 10 out of 10, the only problem that I have with this, and maybe FIFINE's already working on it, or there's some way to do it and I just don't know about it, but choosing custom colors on this guy would be spectacular. Either a software that you download or tactile buttons on the microphone, any of those, honestly. Thank y'all so much for watching. Be on the lookout for more tech reviews just like this one, and also a couple videos that I know that you guys have been waiting on, the custom overlays for your streams and videos during different games on your health bar. I got 2 of those coming out super soon, and one of them is actually in DaVinci Resolve, which is completely free. So please like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.